apple you want?
Let me see. I want the red one is how much?
That one at 15 naira.
Listen, how much apple do you want us to buy? How much apple do you want us to buy?
What's your problem? Must you hit me?
Do you want apple or her apple? Which one?
Apple. Apple. Is it not the same thing? I buy apple.
I'm not talking now.
I need them 200 naira apple.
Which one? The red one?
Red one. Okay. Please hurry up.
And because of that, they give you this one, no? This one at 200 naira.
Are you not going to give me back? You're still looking at her, Abby. I like that.
Thank you, madam. When I call this, bros! Call this table. Madam, bye-bye. When I call this, yeah?
Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey, to serve the fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind, one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity.
I pledge.
Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend our unity, and uphold and honor and preserve.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
I would like to use this opportunity to introduce our new French teacher, Miss Adeze, though she will be teaching a combined class. Miss Adeze, please come forward.
Bonjour, students. My name is Miss Adeze Okereke. Thank you very much.
Also, I would like to call out on the new students to come out here and introduce themselves.
Good morning, students. My name is Sandra Obiajulu. I'm from Anambra State. Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Keep silence!
Good morning. My name is Chika Moto Orokereke. I'm from Imo State.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Indidi Chukuma and I'm from Enugu State.
You're welcome.
As new students, we don't tolerate late coming, indecent dressing, malpractice, unnecessary loitering around and messing up within the school premises. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. You can now go.
Principal, I have something to say before it escapes my memory.
Okay, please come forward.
It got to my notice that some of you students sneak out at night, especially the girls. You sneak out for clubbing. I wonder what you go out for. Charity works or what? Instead of you to be busy studying or seek your teacher's attention to coach you at night. Private lesson. Charity begins at home.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
No matter thank you or what. No matter who you are or what class you are in, you will be expelled if you are caught sneaking out of the school premises at night. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Thank you. SP, please come forward. You and the DSP should start from here.
No problem, ma'am.
Then teachers, please, let's go and start the meeting so we can finish early.
Okay.
All right.
Chioma, Nneka, and Bruce, the three of you should meet me after the assembly.
All right, so we march to our classes.
Why?
And did you see that girl?
Girl.
That girl now, the apple seller.
Yeah, I saw her. Why?
Hi. But why was this girl laughing at her?
I don't know. Maybe it's because they are stupid.
But princess, that girl fine, sha. I swear to God. I mean, you see that girl backside. See, not like the backside is too big, but you see the shape, the pattern, the size, the which word I won't use? That girl said.
It's not like it's too big or her backside. The shape. Why won't you notice the shape? The tape woman swore for you. If not that you're my cousin, I would have said that you're cursed. Her backside.
As if they talk, they sweet me.
Even with the school uniform, you still notice the pattern.
Okay.
Ashawo.
You were the girl.
Please don't even
swear
go there.
That you did not notice that.
You're disturbing me. Just leave me alone. The tape woman swear for you.
No, why do you talk like that? Small with yours.
Please, go, Joe. Leave me alone.
Talking about girl, you're talking about this thing. I'll see you later, Asha.
Who started laughing first?
It's Nneka.
Hey! Ruth, if I slapped her...
Hey, will you three shut up? Princess, you're being too soft on these girls.
Senior, see, it wasn't me. It was Choma here that said that the new girl chased chewing gum like a local...
Hey, Senior!
Hey! I don't care who started laughing first. The three of you should go and apologize to Kaima.
Thank you, Senior.
Just like that? Oh, God, this DSP. DSP, don't tell me you're not going to punish these girls. Because these girls deserve serious and severe punishment, not some stupid apologies.
In fact, listen and listen very good. Three of you are going to wash the toilet and sweep the exam hall. Have I made myself clear?
Did you just say Hey! You are applying that pencil!
That's enough. Leave them alone. Do you want to kill them?
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna bust you!
Leave her. That's enough. Leave her alone. Now the three of you should go and clean the toilet. Sweep the exam hall. Go back to Kaima and apologize to her. And make sure you do it today. Did I make myself clear?
Yes.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes.
I don't want this rubbish again.
Okay.
You may go now.
Thank you.
Man, this DSP.
You are too soft, though.
You are too soft.
You are too soft, though. Let's go.
Sit down.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm your French teacher. I'm Miss Adeze. So I would like every one of you to bring out your size books and pay attention. Thank you. I want to start with saying my name in French. Je m'appelle Adeze Okereke. That is, my name is Adeze Okereke in French language. So today we are going to talk about greetings in French. Okay, and we have what we call bonjour. Bonjour. Pronounce it. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Born in June.
I didn't say bonjour. I said bonjour.
Bonjour.
Correct. And it means good morning. And we have what we call bon après-midi. Bon après-midi.
Bon après-midi.
No, darling, it's bon après-midi. You know, when you want to pronounce a word in French, some words in French, you use the esophagus.
Esophagus.
Thank you. You call it bon après-midi.
Bon après-midi.
Thank you. It means good day. And we have what they call bonsoir. Quiet. Bonsoir. Everybody pronounce it. Bonsoir.
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 It means good evening. And we have what they call merci.
Bon après-midi.
I didn't say merci. I said merci.
What best?
Quiet.
Merci, the one that plays with the one. What best?
Bon après-midi.
Pronounce it with me. Merci.
Bon après-midi.
Merci.
Merci.
It means thank you. And we have what they call bonsoir.
Bonsoir. As in you, bonsoir.
Okay. Can someone tell me the meaning of je m'appelle? Okay,
Very
you.
easy now.
Sit down. Quiet.
Je m'appelle. Is it not that we know song? Now we know song now.
Shut up. Can someone else tell me the meaning of je m'appelle Adesi Okere?
Auntie, hi. Auntie, hi. Auntie, hi.
Bonjour.
You.
He's a shy.
It means... I have forgotten it.
Quiet. Oh, you.
It means my name is Adeze.
Correct. Excellent. Clap for her. Yes. You know, if you want to study French language is very interesting. It's fun. You have to understand French. Sorry. You stand up.
Hey. Stand up now.
The four of you should stand up. You stand up.
And your name's you.
I said stand up in my class.
Stand up.
Stand up. Hey. I love well-behaved students. And the next time I enter your classroom, behave yourself. I'm going to give the four of you an assignment. You guys have to conjugate the verb. You, the verb être. You, the verb avoir. You, the verb venir. You, the verb vouloir. Thank you guys. Merci.
Please, the combined class is over. If you're not in this class, get back to your classes.
Now follow me see the new student. Oh Bob, those girls they make sense. Die. Hey, guy. Especially that one that they call Kaima. See that girl? That girl fine, well. Baka, go be here.
I didn't know you guys. But guys, if I tell you, say I know that girl.
No, how? How?
Kaima.
As in
Kaima. You know her?
I know her. This you know that girl with big baka? But this Nelson not the doll.
Nelson, doll. You don't know Nelson. Now you say you don't know this food. I think they confirmed Shawo. You know my only problem for life now is say that your fine cousin not they like you.
Hey, stop up. Now please stop up. Which kind matter be that one? No, see, me and you get problem for this is my cousin matter. Joke. No, our friendship is good. I beg.
That's why they follow you joking.
You want to leave her.
But guys, finally, you see that babe? That babe, her papa, now she resemble.
But you know what's they surprise me? What's they surprise me? Be say, I don't know why that babe no they follow any guy for this school talk.
DSP and another person.
I didn't know say me and you know how me and you know they get problem. Because you can't be like now my sister cause now my cousin matter now we come here and discuss. What's if you can't discuss what be the time when they talk about your cousin, your go just skip.
But I want to ask you one question.
Tell us how you know
Kaima. What's your girlfriend? Does she know about this?
What big girlfriend again? Which girlfriend?
She be which girlfriend? What's that girlfriend name Chinwe?
Who's Chinwe? That is one of the Nelson's standby generator now.
man, guys, I want you.
But one stand question. I don't tell her before. Say, maybe this guy know they follow us. They work out. I tell be our friend.
Public service announcement. Tell us.
Why they attack? Why be saying this nothing? Go they attack me?
Oh no, they vex.
Sorry.
Sorry, no vex.
Carry up, must come out.
Come take transfer money.
No, come put her for here.
Transfer money.
Come put her for here.
I don't go peace again.
I don't know if you say one piece.
You won't go peace. You can't tell us.
One day I still go sit tell us say won't go bath.
Wait, guys, please step back.
What do we do? I don't have strength to.
Have you girls cleaned the toilets?
Waiting they worry this one. I beg Joe.
Not be only clean. Don't you have hands? Go and clean it yourself.
Was I the one that started the laughing? Why should I be the one to do the cleaning?
It's Nneka that started the laugh, so you should be the one to go and clean the toilets.
Make thunder fire that your mouth there. You're mad.
Thunder, don't already fire your brain. That's why you're laughing like an idiot all the time.
See, as for me, Chioma, I am going to sweep that hole. You two better go clean the toilet, unless you want the 5 witches to unleash their wrath on the 2 of you. I don't go.
Me? Clean the toilet? God forbid. See, all of us, we are going to sweep that hole together. Rubbish.
Okay, let all of us go and sweep the hole now.
Mike, did you observe what I observed from these new intakes?
Of course I do, but I'm sad.
Mike, sad? Why? Come on, Mike, you shouldn't be sad. With all these pretty girls around, Mike, you should be excited.
Look, just like we have the pretty girls, remember, we also have the bad boys. Do you think they will leave them alone? As at yesterday, one of the boys had already cornered one of the girls.
You can't say that. Mike, which of the girls?
Susan.
Thank God. I don't have interest in Susan.
Why?
The girl that caught my fancy is Kaima. That girl is... she's something else.
Jesus is Lord. Did you see her ass?
Mike. Kaima. Hi. Mike, Jesus Christ is an artist. Imagine how that girl is beautifully carved like a Coca-Cola shaped bottle with terrorizing behind. Hi. Good Lord. But I pray that those adrenaline esophagus cellulose membrane rascals don't get close to her because she is my spec, Mike. I am taking her directly to the altar. I am blessed.
Then go immediately. Trust
me. Trust me. I know what I'm capable of doing.
Maradona.
Princess. Yes. Hold on.
Hi, hey, what's up? Good. Can you believe that these girls did not clean the toilets and sweep the exam hall as you instructed them to?
What? DSP. We told you you're being too soft on these girls. And that's why they don't respect you as the DSP. My dear, you're not just anybody. You're the DSP, Deputy Senior Prefect. Come on now, DSP. You need to be harsh on these girls. Make them fear you. Listen, if you allow all these junior students, they'll make a rubbish of you. They'll make a mess of you.
I don't know. I just don't want to be wicked to anyone. It's not about being wicked, Princess. Come on, you are the DSP. You deserve some respect from them.
I agree with her. I don't understand. How would you give them an order? They will refuse to carry it out. Come on now, Princess. That is outrightly disrespectful. And I think you should do something about it.
I agree with you, Benny. For once, Princess, be wicked.
Be wicked.
Be wicked. These girls, I mean, you are the DSP.
Where are the girls now? They should be in their classroom.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go kick some ass. I don't even know where to start with the three of you. I gave you girls simple instruction. Clean the toilet, sweep the exam hall, simple, and you girls couldn't carry it out.
Senior, I did clean the toilet. I cleaned.
Yes, me too.
You mean you girls cleaned that toilet and it still looks that dirty?
I wonder the kind of water they used in cleaning that toilet.
No, they didn't clean that toilet.
They did not.
Because if they did, it wouldn't look like that.
Senior, I cleaned the toilet too.
Okay, you cleaned the toilet. What about you, Ruth and Neka?
Hold it.
And why did you refuse to apologize to Kema, like we instructed you to?
We did not finish.
I shut her mouth. Look at her mouth. Are you trying to tell me that you girls spent the whole day cleaning that toilet?
Yes, we cleaned.
You're still saying yes?
No.
The three of you will go back now. Clean the toilet all over again. Sweep the exam hall. Go back to Kaima and apologize to her. And make sure you do it today, or else the three of you will wash toilet until you graduate from this school. Yes. You may go now. Yeah, go. Go! Why are you looking at me like that?
I really like the way the biology teacher teaches.
Serious? I'm hungry, Joe. Forget about it.
I'm telling you about the biology. You're telling me you're hungry.
That class was so boring.
Shut up!
Olodo.
Wait, lunchtime will soon be.
Okay, seriously, I'm hungry.
Hello, girls.
Hi.
Hi.
Senior, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ini, did you get my letter?
Letter?
Yeah, come. Which letter?
I gave your friend Ruth letter to give to you now.
Oh, yes. I forgot. But I still have it here in my book.
Why didn't you tell us you have it?
I didn't even open it.
Wait. You know, since you're here, you can as well read it out.
No. The letter is for you.
That's a good idea.
Just read it for us.
Yeah.
Yes.
I should read it?
Yes. Senior.
Go ahead.
I should read it. Okay. Ditto. Dear Ditto.
Come. Is Ditto the only thing in that letter?
No, now wait now. I'm still getting ready to read it.
Oh, okay.
Just wait. Let me read this for you. Okay. Dear Ditto, dear.
You know, sorry. Sorry, Senior. Enough of the detail. Let me help you read the letter. Yes. No, don't worry. I'll read it for you.
Let her help you.
Thank you. Ditto. To my one and only sugar in my tea. You are my fire, the one I desire. Every time I see you, my heart goes boom, boom. I love you past my mama. Even though you are not beautiful, but I go manage you.
Was that what you wrote in that letter?
No. Is it?
Yes.
Oh my God.
And why are you laughing? What's funny?
My heart go boom, boom. My heart go boom, boom. I go still manage.
You guys are crazy.
Oh my God.
Wait. Neka, come now. I'm not saying.
Let's go. Guy, what's your name?
How could you do that to me?
Do what to you?
The letter you wrote for me.
Yes, we. Can you please give us 2 minutes? I'll join you.
Where are you going to?
I need to settle something with my guy.
We need to finish this today, you know that.
I won't. I'll join you.
Don't leave it for me. I can't handle it alone.
I'll join you, sure.
Are you sure?
Promise.
I'm waiting here.
Guy, why now? Why did you do that to me?
Do what?
I asked you to help me write that letter, not because I cannot write letter. Because I know you know how to write such letter better than I am. Eh? Why did you do that? Do you know how you made me feel before those girls? Before Nneka and her friend? I felt stupid.
Her friends were there.
Bonjour, ça va? Any problem? Have you done your assignment?
Oh no, the assignments. That's why I'm here.
Okay, where is it?
We'll talk about this later. Okay, I got this gift for you.
Gift for what? What are you celebrating?
Oh, it's a welcome to school gift.
Oh, thank you very much.
There's a stain on your shirt.
Where?
It's right there. Let me help you.
Have you lost your mind?
Oh no, it's still intact.
Will you stop it this very minute? Are you crazy?
No, Ma. I saw the way you looked at me in class today. Come on, I know you still want this.
See, let me tell you, if you don't get out from this office this very minute, you'll be expelled from this school. Are you mad?
I'm sorry, Ma.
Come back here. Take this rubbish and make sure first thing tomorrow morning, you and your friends should submit your assignment. Sort it there up! Stupid! Get out from my office! Nonsense.
What's up?
I'm fine.
I know you're fine. I mean, what's up with what I discussed with you?
Nelson, I am not interested. Just leave me alone.
What do you mean you're not interested? I mean, this is Nelson talking to you.
And so? Oh wait, I should start jumping fence because Nelson is talking to me.
You mean I should leave you alone?
Yes.
I'm not gonna leave you alone. Yeah.
Don't listen to it. I don't even have his time. Everything that he's telling me, don't listen to one thing. One thing he says, don't listen to it.
I don't even have his time.
I forgot what your parents said to come and do. You follow me. Nonsense. It's not by force. You don't want to.
Ask me.
It is not by force. It's not by force. Nobody's forcing you. Don't listen to him.
Them are loving me. Them are spend on me. They are looking for a way to get me along. But if they spend, let them spend. If they care, let them care. If they give it to me.
Hi, Ella.
Hi, Frank.
I can see you're reading. You're really preparing for the exam. That's nice. Ella, can you give me 5 minutes of your time? There is something very important that I want to discuss with you.
I'm sorry, Frank. I'm so busy. Can't you say it? Maybe some other time.
No, don't talk like that. I swear, it took me a whole lot of courage to be here, please. I promise I won't take more than 5 minutes, okay? Just give me 5 minutes, please.
The girl says she's busy. Let her be.
Will you shut up? Now my backhand you do, I will just slap you.
You fit.
Aproko. This junior student. Please don't mind that, just jealousy. 5 minutes, please.
Frank, please. Just leave me alone. Please.
I swear I'm a good guy, I swear. I'm a good guy, please. Okay, I know you're not in a good mood now, don't mind. There's errand people, you understand what I'm saying? Just you and I.
Frank!
I'll come back in the evening. By that time, your mind would have been soft and I'll come back in the evening. Alright. Sweetheart. Later. Video guys.
There's nothing you must say. Everybody wants to talk to me. I mean, I don't understand. Don't mind those guys. They are a bunch of idiots. I swear. Yeah. Oh my God.
Monica, please now help me with my French assignment. I didn't do it. I couldn't do that rubbish that woman gave to us.
You didn't do what? Like, holding. Is that the only assignment? Or you want me to remind you?
I wonder. You know me now, I need the door. In fact, I tried to show the woman my selling point now, but the woman can't form strict.
Hey. Wait, you mean she turned you down?
She not just turned me down, she threatened to expel me.
This is serious. So, babe, wait. I don't understand. What really happened? Is it that you didn't do it well or what?
Marom, I don't even know. I have no idea.
Listen, everyone. You see that her pattern? It will not work. Not in this school. Okay? We are in charge. Yes, we are in total control. Hey, Mrs. Adez.
Ordinary
compassion. Hey, how now? How? You see that Mrs. Adez? She must bend.
If she no bend, she go collect now.
Let's
Hey, copper, ordinary copper. One day take us the shine. This for this. You know go work.
Someone is studying so hard. My lovely princess. Beautiful princess. You're looking sexy today.
What do you want, Chinwe?
What do I want? What makes you think I want something from you? Please, I don't want anything.
Seriously, I know you very well. You don't just go about praising people unless you want something from them. So what do you want?
Okay, fine. I need your help. As a matter of fact, we need your help.
What is it?
We need you to help us with our assignment.
What assignment? The one French teacher gave to us. I'm sorry, girls. I don't think I can do that anymore.
Why? You normally help us with it before.
That's the problem. I help you girls with your assignments all the time. And now you girls think it's cool. Huh? My dear, it's not cool.
Come, princess. What's wrong with you? Yeah? Is it because we came here? We came to meet you to help us with our assignment. You're talking to us anyhow.
Relax. Don't shout. At least we came to look for a favor from her. I have time for this rubbish.
So? You see what you've caused? I beg, let her scram, Joe.
Okay, fine. I think I have a solution for this. I will get someone to help us with the assignment. I will talk to Ella.
Ella? Is it the junior student?
So? Is it because she's a junior student? But she's very, very intelligent.
Very intelligent.
Okay now, that's herself.
This one Shakara is even too much, sir. Shakara, okay? If now you sabi book, you don't go do Shakara.
I beg, which book she know? She sabi French, me say sabi.
You na book, she know she know.
Books na language.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault, princess. Because I brought myself so low to come and meet. I'm begging.
Don't be support for us. Forget no book, she dey support her now.
No wahala, you go soon join her. She go talk to your friend very soon.
Kaima, earlier today I saw you with Dan Nelson in a very simple English. What are you doing with that spoilt brat?
Mrs. Anotino, he was asking me something.
Asking you what?
He was asking me something in French.
Kaima, you know you don't know how to lie, so stop trying. See, the only reason why I'm bothered about you is because you're my only sister. I can't keep my fingers crossed and watch you get harm. I don't trust that Nelson nor his friends. Kaima, be very careful. Be very, very careful. I'm warning you.
Sister, thank you. Sister? What? He was asking me that thing that you taught us. You said, Jemanze, Jemanze.
I didn't say Jemanze, Jemanze, Mugu. I say je mange du riz. I eat rice. Je mange like, from here. Je mange du riz.
Je mange riz.
Let me go and tell him. Je mange riz.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry, sir. There's something I need to ask you.
And why didn't you ask me that while I was in the classroom?
I didn't want everybody to hear. It's very private, sir.
Private? Pontius Pilate. Private issues are better discussed in private places. Let's go to my office.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's about what you said in class. Lately, I've been having this pain in my breast.
Can you wait now? Eh? Please hear me first.
Listen, please stop bothering me.
Bothering you? How am I bothering you?
Just leave me alone.
How can I leave you alone? I don't see this kind of thing where we leave him alone. See what you're carrying. Huh? The girl, you're too fine.
I'm not carrying anything. See, I don't want wahala.
Wahala? Who won't give you wahala? Look me, now maybe wahala. Who won't give you? Huh?
What about your girlfriend, Chiwi?
We're talking about girls, we're talking about Chiwi. Listen, Chiwi is not my girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend. Huh?
Nelson!
Hey!
Well done.
Hi, what's up? You understand? So I was saying, I don't have a girlfriend. I'm very much single. Huh? Consider me now. I don't want to leave this guy thing alone. It's not possible. Are you hiding it? Even if you try to hide it, you still show, man. This match is big.
It's not nice to young.
Oh, Joy.
Hey. This is so lovely.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I like it. This is nice.
It's actually my ex-boyfriend that got it for me.
Ex? Yes. Please don't tell me you've broken up with Nelson.
No, my boyfriend before Nelson.
Okay, I remember Ken.
Yes,
nice
Ken.
guy. But you dealt with him sharp.
I feel
it's what all of them deserve, except Nelson. Because you see, Nelson is my baby.
Right, girl. Hey, what's up? I know you guys are in the hostel. What's happened?
Guys are no good, I swear.
Any news flash?
They don't break your heart.
What has Paul done this time?
Paul, did you catch him with any new students?
If for better, I don't know what this one sees in the Paul self.
Monica, you won't mind your mouth, Abby?
Girls, I beg. Waiting happen.
It's Nelson.
Jesus Christ. Nelson. What happened to him? What happened to Nelson?
What happened to him? Nelson, what happened to him?
My dear, we saw Nelson chasing after Kaima, the new girl.
Are you serious?
Yes. That's not true. Nelson, our own Nelson. Nah, he can't do such a thing. I know you, Nelson. You don't know Nelson. Nelson is loyal.
Very loyal. Do you know what, girls? I thought you had something serious to say, but I'm disappointed. I know you will not believe. Why should I believe you? Nelson can stoop so low to ordinary Kaima. No, now.
Yes.
How? That girl with the tiny legs like chicken. Eh?
Tiny legs. Very soon, you know that we're not lying.
Till then.
I'm bad girl. Hey. I told the two of you that SP and one of Kaima's friends are dating, but you will not believe me.
Which of her friend?
Ndidi. You this girl, you can lie. Eh? News vendor. But where you from? Here the gist. I saw them with my 2 eyes after class yesterday. And where I saw them.
What? Talk now.
Doing it. Yes. Oh my God, Chineke. Why do you like lying? Eh? Liar. Don't insult me. I am not lying. And I'm not a liar. What is it?
So this is what these boys and girls do in this school. God is watching them all.
It's only God that will save us in this school. I can't wait to write my SSC exam. Let me just go out from this school.
As in Amy, I can't wait to leave this school. What sort of nonsense is this?
Anyways, I don't know what the two of you are discussing. Let me go and get more gist.
Hey, as in I can't wait to graduate from this school. Can you imagine? SP. Hey, God. What is it now? Why are you dragging me?
Just calm down. What did you go and tell people that you saw me doing with SP?
Me? You and SP? Who talking?
Me. You're asking me, you and SP. You know the problem I have with you, Choma? The problem I have with you is that you talk too much. You gossip too much. Cho. That's how your mouth will be rolling around the school like a ball. What is wrong with you? When will you learn to mind your own business?
I beg. Hey, please hold it. Don't shout on me. Yes, now me talk. Now me talk, I be a lie.
Now you talk.
Yes.
You saw the two of us doing it.
Yes.
Now you talk. Choma. So you are now a monetary spirit. So you are now SSS in this school that have all the information, all the secrets of everybody in your palm. No problem. I'm going to tell everybody what you do in this school.
Go and tell them. What do? I didn't do nothing. I do nothing.
No problem. The biology teacher will tell us what both of you have been doing in this school. Get out.
Not be me talking.
But guy, seriously, like, you and what's happening, man? You're a doll. This new girl is giving you.
My guys, I've been looking at help me ask player number 1 because me, I don't understand him anymore.
Okay, this that we be your guys, Abi? We're all guys now. Yes. This is a safe space. Talk to us now. Come on, just us. What's be the problem?
SP, wait. Make I take. So you know, we sit down here now. More begin gossip like me.
No be gossip talk.
No be gossip matter.
I know you.
This guy know you. This guy know you. SP know you. We all know you. Guy, not be today things. Waiting they saw clear us with your guys. We know the story.
If not help, if you help, you know what you will do.
You know me. I know they need help for this kind of thing. Nothing they. You understand? Yeah. But the truth of the matter, be see, the girl they form heart. But now some women they behave. True. She go finally fall.
Yes, now this one can be like say.
Yes. Now.
Okay, wait. Now make I ask you. What about Chinwe?
Me and you go always the get problem. What be Chinwe? I don't tell you say Chinwe. I don't introduce Chinwe as girlfriend to you. What be Chinwe?
I don't introduce Chinwe to you.
Okay, if she not be your girlfriend, so what you they do with her? Wait till they do with her.
Start by generator. I don't tell you before. Anytime when I'm hungry, I go knock out.
No, they don't. Not they doll.
What did they do with
this guy? Question be that. This guy forget them.
See this one.
They ask man.
It's okay. I know the problem. Madam, I better bring coke for everybody.
No, now give an extra coke. Give an extra coke.
Bring coke. No, make them give everybody coke.
I want to drink the grace. Tell us. I want to drink the coke. What did you do with Chinwe?
This great come from inside.
This thing come from inside.
evening, Sir Nelson.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
It's Karma in.
Yes, she's in.
Alright, help me call her.
No problem, I'll call her. Prima. Come on. Your future boyfriend now. Go.
Who's my future boyfriend? Go now. Nelson.
Go now. First comes and knocks on this place and the door again.
Join my future boyfriend.
Question. What's wrong? Why is she shaking like this?
I'm cold.
Sorry. Over yourself. Go. You'll be fine.
What are you doing here? Do you want them to expel me?
No. Listen, I came to see you. Huh? Here. I bought this for you.
I can't collect it.
What do you mean you can't collect it? Why? What's wrong?
See, my sister will kill me if she finds out that I collected a gift from a boy.
Okay. Are you going to tell your sister I give you this thing? Okay. If you don't tell her and I don't tell her, how will she know? Come on, take this thing.
You see that it's making me to collect it.
Take it. I know you like it.
It's fine. Oh yeah, go.
I should go. Alright, I'll see you later.
My gifts. Wow.
Are you serious?
I'm so serious. Oh my god. Wow.
This is beautiful.
Thank
you. What is beautiful? A man's watch. What's wrong with that, Nelson? Is he stupid? How can he go to a shop and buy you a man's watch?
Didi, why are you beefing? Huh? Whether man or woman's watch, I like it. Watch is watch. Give it to me.
You are a mugu. That's what you are. Mugu one.
You are just
Not of them.
You are just beefing. Yes. It's not my birthday. Please, let me see. See, Jerry. This is my Hey, why are you wearing it now? Why are you beefing? Rubbish.
Today, mugu.
Oh, your man's watch.
I'm not moving. I love it. You got me to buy for you.
My body.
African
Mugu too.
Mugu one, Mugu two. Designer now.
Oh, you only designer, Akpako designer.
Yeah, I love it.
Anyone. See the bake you're wearing now.
And this is better than this one. First one, Gassi Miyaki, because not me see Miyaki.
You see Miyaki was good. Nonsense. Thank God. Yeah.
Doris, how now?
Paul, talk now.
I
say, Paul, talk.
Doris, I want more to do.
Eh? Wait, say that again.
I want more to do.
What make me and you do? Eh? Me and you go do? I said, your papa. Idiot.
No, me the tell waka. The tell me waka. See, Doris, I swear. See, make I tell you. See that way do that guy. I hear him. I hear him. And I swear to God, if you don't give me, I go tell the entire school. The entire school go hear him.
Waiting and do with that girl.
Yes, the entire school go hear him.
You see me do him.
I hear him.
You see us, Abby?
I hear him.
I say, Paul, your papa. Go to the principal. Go to the whole school. Go to your rats, your dog for house. I don't care.
Me, my papa,
go to them.
my mama, my papa. See, I swear to God, if you don't give me, I go tell us what you do, my friends. I go tell him.
You want to tell John?
I go tell him.
And you think he will believe you, right? You think so? You're useless, idiot. Get out.
Hey. So now, so this was just the life for me since. But wait, happen now? I talk everything now. I talk everything where they see make I talk now. I talk everything. I haven't add my own inside. Hey, for this, I go tell SP. I go tell him. Oh boy, finally, I don't chop that day. That forbidden fruit when I chop, I don't chop.
Hey, I like the fact that you call her forbidden fruit. What you chop?
I chop the babe. Come on.
You don't chop her.
The only thing they talk and say, man, the shake. You don't chop any lie. You don't lie. You don't chop anything. You don't even talk. Where is it you chop up?
Give her that question.
Okay, wait. You see, you don't chop up, okay. Tell us where tattoo day for that dead body.
Why not they ask me this kind of question now?
Tell us now.
Okay, now I want to know.
Yes.
Okay, I will show you that. Tattoo day her back.
In position for her. Well,
tattoo day they get back. Tattoo day they get back.
You don't make her give you up.
Okay, make now wait. May I ask now this question? Where tattoo day for her body? No. Where tattoo day for her body?
Tattoo where day for you? If you see people don't chop, you go she dey craze. Don't let me talk. Idiot.
Make now wait. But nothing make me.
Forget you dey craze. Forget wetin. Like don't man like you.
I don't see you with joy.
So as I look at the French teacher, I shall see how they chop that yam. Why say they use swag?
Tell you. With swag. I see you. So now yam gist on the gist. I been a French teacher gist on the gist. Yam. You're gonna put me for gist now. Waiting now. What are you guys talking about?
You say they chop yam with swag.
Yam not how they tell you. Waiting now they talk about when I put me for gist job. Me with gist.
We take back to fight. Never reach like that. He just tell me about yam when they chop. That's me. I can't say I chop.
Okay, as idiot why be now. So French teacher they chop yam. Don't turn topic. Abi. Now I understand, and I be the topic where when I sit down like this day, I dey hear on a voice from outside. I come join on a with gist. Now French teacher they chop yam. Now where you come out share to the bounce, yam turn topic, serious topic.
Listen, I just normal wash, normal yam, SP.
No wahala. SP. Where this guy dey?
SP.
Come on.
See guys, I don't like. I don't know if you feel like same side right now. But guy, you need to talk that chop.
What's the big on this one now? Chop.
SP.
When I really give you the come and finish. Oh, you like they come out. Get out. They come out leave me. Oh. Me I don't come out soon now, sure.
Guys, hold on. Chispa is still requesting for the evidence, so.
What are you going to do now?
Look at them. You women of little faith. So you girls actually think I was lying or joking the day I told you that I had evidence?
What happened?
God, these girls won't carry me play. Remember the night she went out with us? I snapped her with my phone.
You
remember I was the last to jump the fence? But that was when I carried out the,
baddest chick. Monica, that night, I saw the lights from the flash, but I didn't just know where the lights came from. I didn't want to ask.
It's on me.
She your bado.
Yeah, so.
You be bado.
So. Baddest chick.
Oh, yeah?
So just believe me when I say that girl is going down. You see, Kaima? She must bow. Not be us again. She girl. How?
She's supposed to go down now. No, she know me. Oh, they
go bounce.
Best chick.
John, I am so disappointed in you. I am so disappointed in you. I can't believe you can do anything like that. I can't believe it. So John, you don't have a class. I can't believe it. You can move around with any free you can carry and see. I thought you had a class. Other small girls in the secondary school that you don't. Oh God, John, how can you do anything like this? You are dirty. All those boys you move around, they're all spoiled brats. How could you be moving around with them? How could you? You know what, John? You are a pretender. You were a cheat. You were a heartbreaker.
Are you done?
I am so disappointed in you. You are an ace in this school. You're supposed to show good example. And for everyone that sees you will think you are responsible young guy. But you were nothing.
Doris, you said I'm dirty and I'm filthy. Between you and I wonder who is the dirty, filthy person here. Because you're a slut. I'm sure you know what I mean. You're a filthy slut, Doris. You've slept with everything that moves in and around the school. I'm sure if these tables and chairs could move and breathe, you'd probably be humping them by now. Yes, go ahead, enjoy yourself. You think I care? I don't care anymore. You think I wouldn't hear? You think I wouldn't hear all you've been up to in this school? Everything that moves, you screw. Really? Who's the dirty person? Who's the slut? Chinedu found you or caught you
sleeping around with girls. In order to make him keep his mouth shut, you slept with him. And in order for others to keep their mouth shut, you slept with them. How many more people are you going to screw before you get back to your senses, Doris? How many more people? How many? You said I'm not going to see your body again? This body? The one that belongs to everybody? I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Keep on sharing it around. You know I'm an authority in this school. Eventually, I'll get wind of what's happening. The walls have ears. I know, Doris. Keep your filthy self to yourself. Excuse me.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, ma. I'm here with the evidence.
Oh, that's nice. Can I see it?
Okay, ma.
What is it?
I can't find the pictures.
There's no picture here. So why do you have to lie to me?
No, ma.
Hey, shut up.
I'm sure I took some pictures. I did not lie.
You didn't lie?
I'm just confused about the whole thing. I don't know how the pictures disappeared. I don't know.
Then why must you accuse the innocent children wrongly?
I did not accuse them wrongly, ma.
Oh, really? How did you get this phone?
My mommy got it for me on my birthday. As a matter of fact, it's my birthday gift.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Please, I want you to invite your parents.
Hey.
Yes. So that you can tell me why you have to accuse those children wrongly.
No, ma, it hasn't gotten to that, ma.
Get out. Go, shut up! Get out of my office. Get out!
Please, I want to give you my phone.
Lie. Nonsense.
Hello, hello, hello. How are we today? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is the end of year school party stroke talent show organized by the Model International School. Most of you know me, I'm your head boy, senior prefect, John Dominic. I'd like to recognize our principal here. Please clap for our principal. Please. Thank you very much. I'd also like to recognize the presence of our French teacher, Miss Adeze. Our maths teacher, Mr. Olu. And our biology teacher, Mr. Matthews. And our agri teacher, Mr. Ide. Thank you all for coming. A few words from our principal, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so excited seeing you people here today. Thank you.
Yeah. Please a round of applause for our principal. Such a beautiful woman. Thank you very much, ma'am. We have a big surprise for you all in the house today. We know this is supposed to be our end of year party stroke talent hunt show, but my boys and I'm sure you know most of them. We decided to spice it up a little bit and bring you two superstars. It's a big surprise. A star in the house. As a matter of fact, we have two superstars in the house. First of all, I'd like to introduce a very beautiful woman, a super Nollywood actress, a delectable woman, elegant. Oh my lord, I've run out of superlatives to describe this woman. I'd like to introduce Mrs. Chacha Ekefani. Thank you for gracing this occasion. Thank you. Isn't she amazing? Ladies and gentlemen.
People are so lovely and glad to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming. A round of applause for Chacha Ekefani. Thank you. So beautiful. Thank you. Now I'd like to introduce one of our biggest sponsors, Mr. Boom Trillion. Is he in the house? Boom Trillion. We're glad to have you. Welcome. Thank you for coming. A round of applause for Chacha Ekefani. Thank you. So beautiful. Thank you. Now I'd like to introduce the first performance of the day. Are we ready for this? People? Yeah. I'd like to call to the stage the White Angels. The White Angels, everybody.
Oi. Rebat Cats. Timmy J. Yaga. Zion. Jeezy. Oh yeah, nigga. Living large. Like your wine for me. You see me, I like that. Bring my wine, go down. I like your backside. Come no the dummy. You see me, I feel am. My bag your wine is for me. So now because disaster.
We making dope money, just sell without nothing. Call for the rap to sell good, but we ugly. But now money done the come, she won't follow me. Share me that be Twitter, I be Instagram, I be Shopee, I be Yahweh, I be with the man. Get up, with the farm big, you know. If you say we get time, we the deep, them now. See me bad man, Jesus will be killing the place. Bad man Zion, me mash up the place, me killing the place, no. Oh yeah, why you tell me Jerry, killing the beat, no. Oh yeah, we no got time now, we be killing the beat, no.
Me. You see me, I feel am. My bag your wine is for me. So now because disaster.
Say she a bad girl, she a wine for me. Say she a wine for me. You got the key to me, yeah, that no one can steal. Yeah, that no one can steal. Say me mash up the place, me enter the place. Say bad girl, say me follow me enter the place. Say me mash up the place, me enter the place. Say a bad girl, me follow me enter the place. She a sexy girl, say she a wine for me, she marry for me, Say she a sexy girl, say she a wine for me, she marry for me, Pretty girl, baby girl, can you follow me, go my place, no. Pretty girl, make you follow me, go my place, no.
You wine for me, you see me, I like that. Bring my wine, go down. I like your backside. Come know the dummy. You see me, I feel am. My bag your wine is for me. So now because disaster. See me Jerry, I got a way to go make you dance. My bad girl they wine it. When I come around, she man want for me. See me Jerry, mash up the place. Me a killing and it beats me. I enter bad girl wine for me. See me Jerry, you know say you be the body where they make them dance. Girl, come around me, I mash up the place, she ma dance for me, yeah. When I put up the place, she ma dance, she no one stop me, I like your nyash, I got your pretty face with you bounce around. For my ladies, them a dance, them a know me fine. Them a shake that body, they know what's up right now. Yeah, wine for me, you see me, I like that. Bring my wine, go down. I like your backside. Come know the dummy. You see me, I feel am. My bag your wine is for me. So now because disaster. You wine for me.
Oh yeah.
You see me, I like that.
Okay.
Like your backside. Come on, before you dog me.
Respect to all the fans. Johnson, aka South Africa. Let's go.
Diamonds. The Diamonds. Please, a round of applause for the Diamonds. Dikeh, please.
We be the baddest. I dey rap, I dey sing, I dey come MC. I dey go on the show, I dey back fancy. I dey go on the club, I dey pop something. Every girl smell me, go and buy something. Duro, share cozy, kilo for emergency. Now me be the baddest. See, I dey get money for anywhere. I dey go on the club, I dey go anywhere. I dey go NYC and every day. And if you come with me, you go take a year. You go take a year. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Now we be the baddest. And I feel like shot to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Why you ain't the baddest? Now we be the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Now we be the baddest. We the kill them shot to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Why you ain't the baddest? Now we be the baddest. When I wanna flow, everybody know. Visit in the club, they always in one low. It's a bad boy, get my body instrumental. It's a bad boy, get my body instrumental. If I somebody pop up, someone knocking on my door with no lever. You see the phone calls for your pocket. Yeah, it's God, listen the screamer. Watch it, I'm watching the very man, I'm low dirty. If you want try me, make you know something. If you want try me, make you know something. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Now we be the baddest. And I feel like the shot to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Why you ain't the baddest? Now we be the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Now we be the baddest. When I kill on the shot to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Why you ain't the baddest? Now we be the baddest. Bad man Jeezy. We mash up the place, Me no go turn down Weezy. Cause now him be my mentor. Sexy girl, me go lick like a mentor. Fresh girl, too sweet like Calypso. Baby girl, oh yeah, wine for me. Oh yeah, come outside, you control for me. Oh yeah, control for me. Make you come outside, you can dance for me. Yeah, and just guy, you know the carry last. Anything we do, we carry first. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Now we be the baddest. And I feel like the shot to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Why you ain't the baddest? Now we be the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Now we be the baddest. When I kill on the shot to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Why you ain't the baddest? Now we be the baddest. Say I'ma give respect to my mom and dad for bringing me to this ride, and mostly to Almighty God. I pray to Almighty God, keep you safe, man. Respect to all my producers that I know. Yeah.
It's not on the mix.
A round of applause for them. Thank you. A round of applause. Thank you. Next up, we have the African Queens. The African Queens. Please put your hands together for the African Queens. African Queens, please come up to the stage. Thank you. DJ,
most of it, yes, tell me who made it possible, cause you took the dance. 1, 2, put on your shoes, 3, 4, teach me how to dance. 5, 6, for your latest dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring it front. Let me show you how we do this, not be saying I talk. Allow me to my mentor, music on my hobby. All of them shock up, cause I could do it hot. Grab your own toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari.
Dance, 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 enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spare you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no rhyme, yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Go for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no rhyme, yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Go for me, make we dance, oh. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine.
Y'all know Nelson. A round of applause for Nelson, please, people. A round of applause for Nelson. Nolly! Back you go. We have Chinedu in the house. Chinedu, where you at, bro? Where you at? Where you at? That's good, bro. Where's Frank? Frank, where you at? He's with the permission of the principal, we made all this happen. We all did this. Where's Paul? Paul, where you at? All right. So, you're looking at the guys that made all this possible. And right now we have a big surprise, another surprise for you all. I hope you're all ready for this one. Guys, are you ready for this one? Yeah? Alright, we'd like to introduce, guys, come on, punch up, let's do this together, come on, punch up. We'd like to introduce, let's go.
Original dancehall. Why you not best man? Baby, one is loaded. Just wanna spend it on you. Just wanna pump it on you. My baby. It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. We don't push, we don't take a mind. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. We don't push, we don't take a mind.
Cool, me no bad man cheesy. I don't say me no send anybody. Cool, say me the rest back crazy. They just say me no fear anybody. Sexy girl, she want make me feel alright. Say this girl, she want turn up the light. I got the power and I got all the might. So me turn up the stage and me turn up all night. Who be the bear when they wine like a maga? Say bad man to ask them, so who born their bad maga? So me tell her say your mother and your father be the maga. So me tell her say your mother and your father be the maga.
Cool, it's a Friday night. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. We don't push, we don't take a mind. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. Cool, it's a Friday night. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. We don't push, we don't take a mind.
Wine that thing, they make me feel alright. See this girl, she the bust off my mind. That girl, she want turn on the light, yeah. She want turn on the light, yeah. On the low, shake that thing on the low. Now you they drive me crazy. The back I gone crazy. Check out the water bum bum. See this girl, she a lick it on down. Why I'm biting on the chop up, chop up. Ooh, me want push. See my baby girl, she want push, push. I like the move, cause you know I eat too good, good. See
Baby, follow me, make we count this step, round this step. Cool.
It's a Friday night. Me hunting this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push, me no take a high. Me hunting this girl, me no feel alright. Cool. It's a Friday night. Me hunting this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push, me no take a high. Listen, that kind of plenty here we dey do. We just a prove road, that is just the truth. Step on the groove, you go know. I'm on that is just the truth. Just like the Baja one day, baby, wine it slowly. Just wanna spend it on you, wanna pop it on you. On the load, now you they drive me crazy. My best smart wine and we crazy. Aye, we keep it blazing. On the load, now you they drive me crazy. My best smart wine and we crazy. Yeah, we keep it blazing.
Especially for the ladies. This is the first time I'm actually performing this song. I haven't released the song and this is the first time I'm performing it, so you guys are wonderful people. But I need every lady in this crowd to come out now because this song is especially for the ladies. It's for the ladies too.
Baby White Production, I was smart on the mix. Where's the nation? You know what the borders. Run them, Jeezy.
I never lie but day, I know be no. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own girl. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? We're still upcoming, we dey get the money. Feel like step by this time we don't dey go overseas. Cause I call her the diva, she said I got fever. I got her for liver, we put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up. Cause we done the drink 7 up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we get, we dey run them. Hey. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and the show to the highest. Hey. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we get, we dey run them. Hey. YFG the baddest. Hey. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things. I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I be waiting with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey crew them up. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us.
When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lee Wiz in one look. It's a bad boy, give my body instrumental. It's a bad boy, give my body instrumental. He buy, somebody purple. Someone knocking on my door with no lever. You still the phone boss for your pockets. There is God up, listen the screamer. Watching, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want try me, make you know something. We sing the pop something for the NYC. Mama tell me what you dream, mama follow your way. Mama tell me what you dream, make I follow your way.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we get, we dey run them. Hey. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and the show to the highest. Hey. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we get, we dey run them. Hey. YFG the baddest. Hey. Now we be the baddest. I dey rap, I dey sing, I dey come MC. I dey go and the show, I dey fuck plenty. I dey go and the club, I dey pop something. Baby girl, small me, go I got something. I dey go anywhere, I dey pack plenty. Duro, shake or see. Kilo for emergency. Now we be the baddest. See, I dey get money for anywhere. I dey go any place, I dey go anywhere. I dey go NYC and every year. And if you come meet me, you go take a year. I'm a town, never wish you there for summer, yeah. Not the fun for my side, come up for yeah.
Yo, we the baddest. We the good man, the show, we the run them. We the good man, the studio, we the boss anything. We just coming up, see, we the shine like the star. We the top anything, we the kill anything. We the boss anything, we the run anything. Cause now we be the baddest. We the good man, the show, we the run them. We the good man.
DJ, that was electric. 2 shots was electric, people. I don't need to ask, right? Come on, a round of applause for 2 shots. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so without wasting too much of your time, let's go straight to the results already, right, judges? Okay, so we'd like to call out the winners of the talent hunt show. I would like to go to the stage, I'd like to go to the stage, Mrs. Cha-Cha, aka Fanny. Please, a round of applause. Y'all can do better than that. Y'all can do better than that. Keep clapping, come on, people, come on.
Hello, students. Hello. Y'all are having fun. So much fun. Yes, I have fun too. All right. This is hard. You know that, right? It's hard because y'all are winners, beautiful winners. The dances were over the top, and I loved it. Let me tell you something. The White Angels, they were just angelic in their performance. They were smooth and sweet. The Diamonds, they did glitter. They glittered. But you guys, you know what? We are Africans. Africans! The winners of today's talent hunt show goes to the African
Jay-Z! I be smart in the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see dance. Take up the same tall, let me see dance. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she dey want, that dance she dey dance. I dey act, action. I dey do activities like overtaking. I dey react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say you never chop bread Obama. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dey make me high. Baby, I no go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So she want follow me now, go down. So she want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage now, show down. Hey, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Hey, your biggie body. Hey, fine, shorty. Hey, oh, yeah, come dance for me. Oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see dance. Come to my party.
Our able principal to come and say a few words.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Oh, I can't just stop being amazed. This wonderful and beautiful
children of my school has made this school proud. They are queens indeed. I'm proud of you. Today you've won the prize. And also, you will be awarded a scholarship. I hope you guys and ladies here will see them as children of emulation. They are now your role model. You sneaking from the back outside the school, you can see you doing that is not going to help you. But with this, we move ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Please a round of applause for our principal. Such a beautiful woman. Thank you very much, ma.
I told you, with me, you will pass your exam every time with ease. Just relax and give it to me. Aye, don't you silent. Just relax. Don't you?
Hey! Biology teacher! Biology teacher!
What, principal?
What the hell are you doing in female hostel by this time of the day?
Madam, the assignment I asked her, she was supposed
Please
to...
shut up! Are you on your knee?
I'm sorry, Mom.
You know what? You are sacked. But before then, I will hand you over to the police. And you, take a look at yourself. Take a good look at yourself. I have nothing to tell you because today marks the end of you in this school. Make sure tomorrow morning you walk down to my office to come and pick your exposure letter. Do you hear me? Is that clear? Now get out. Get out! Idiot.
Madam,
you are cursed.
I need deliverance.
Get out!
It's not my fault. This thing cannot stop. It's not my fault. I need deliverance. Please.
Security!
Please.
Get out!
Please.
Get out! Security! Quiet!
Please.
Security!
Please now. It's not my... I need deliverance. Yes. I need deliverance.
I'm here to beg you, ma. Ma, please forgive me. I am so sorry.
To beg me on what?
I'm sorry about everything. I regret my actions. Please forgive me. It will not happen again. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please forgive me, ma. Me.
Young lady, get out of my office. I asked you to get me your parents.
No. How can I do that? They will disown me.
That's what I want.
No.
I want them to disown you.
No.
Now you can go.
No, ma.
Leave my office.
No. Ma, please.
You know what? I will only give you the grace because of the upcoming competition. Hush! After that, you will go home and get me your parents.
No, ma, please.
Now you can go.
Please,
Go! Get out of my office. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Stupid thing. Please. Get out of my sight.
Please. Please. Thank God I finished.
Leave!
Stop crying now. It's okay. I'm sorry. Doris, how could you? How could you, Doris? You messed up. I was confused. Eh? What came over you, Doris? I am so disappointed.
It's okay, Chigil. There's no point crying over spilled milk.
After all the packaging, take a good look at yourself. What did they find for all those yeye boys? Eh? I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You better be sorry. Even Nelson, knowing fully well that Nelson is the love of my life. You!
It's okay. So, what do we do now? What do you want to do?
I want a revenge. I want to take all of them one by one.
Chigio. I'm in. I'm in too. I'm in.
Please. Don't even utter a word. She will shoot Nelson.
Don't shoot.
Doris, shoot him. She will shoot. Doris, I said you shoot. Shoot him now. Shoot him. Okay, I'm gonna shoot him.
Don't shoot.
I'm gonna shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him.
Don't shoot, please. Don't.
Nelson,
Sorry, don't.
You think you can mess with me? You think you can play with my emotions?
You. She will shoot Nelson.
Doris, I said you should fucking shoot him.
No! No! No!
What did you do? You shot my boyfriend!
No! John!
What do you want? Fuck you! You fucking crazy? Is something fucking wrong with you?
Them are loving me, them are spend on me. They are looking for a way to get me along. But if they spend, let them spend. If they care, let them care. If they give it to me, I go give you, baby. And no one care what them say, no one care what them feel. And you and they, my mind, baby, only you. Tell me what you think I'm thinking. Every time with you, every time I'm looking to your eyes, girl. Tell me what you feel I'm feeling. Every time I see you, every time I hold you tight. We don't see on the matter, this cooling matter. See them call with the maga, I'm still on your matter. See them call with the bad guys, the school bad guys. See we are doing the bad things, we are running the matters. We are cool guys, we are nice guys. Come and chill with the nice guys, we give it the right thing. We are nice, we are cool, everything they're feeling us now. Yes, I want to chill with us. We are cool and we are nice. We are nice guys. We are cool guys. Every time we're chilling, come and chill with nice guys.